Hello friends, welcome to Samayal Darbar. Today I am going to show you an easy recipe to do crispy jalebi in 20 minutes. So for that I have taken 1 cup of maida or plain flour. With that I am going to add corn flour 4 tablespoons. Now this will give you crispy jalebi, so don't miss out the corn flour. And I am going to add half teaspoon of baking soda and 4 tablespoons of curd, which will give you the sour taste in jalebi, and food color, that is orange food color. Now this is optional, you can even skip it out. Now I'm going to mix it and I'm going to add 150 ml of water little by little. Now the water consistency is very important, so for the given measurement please follow the correct water level, otherwise your jalebis will become soggy and it will not be crispy. So this is the correct consistency, it should be like this, pouring consistency. Now we will close the batter and set aside for around 15 minutes so that it will get puffed up. Within that we will do the sugar syrup now. So for sugar syrup I have taken 3 cups of sugar. Now sugar should form a half string consistency, so we should keep the flame in low to medium flame. So with this 3 cups of sugar I am adding 1.5 cup of water. So it is 2:1 ratio. So when the sugar syrup is boiling I am adding 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. This I am adding so that the sugar syrup will not get crystallized. So this is the half string consistency. If you could see, a half string is being formed. This is the correct consistency for jalebis. Now I have kept oil in a white pan for frying and I have put ghee 1 tablespoon so that it will give a nice flavor to the jalebis. Now we will pour the batter into a Ziploc cover. This is the easy step. We will pour the batter into it and then we are going to make a hole on the corner of the Ziploc cover. It should be a very small hole, then only you will be getting a thin sized jalebis. Now the oil should be in low to medium flame. It should not be too low, because if it is too low then the jalebis will become soggy, and if it is too hot then it will not be cooked properly. So the temperature of the oil is very important, so make sure it is not too hot or too low in flame. So once it is done, just with the help of a skewer just turn it around and then cook it for another 2 minutes till it is getting done, till the jalebis are done. So once it is done, we are going to immediately transfer those jalebis into the sugar syrup. So the sugar syrup should be warm, it should not be too hot. If it is too hot then the jalebis will become soggy, and if it is too low then it will not be the sugar syrup will not get into the jalebis. So it should be warm enough and should be in the right temperature. So immediately I am going to transfer the jalebis into the sugar syrup. So in the sugar syrup we are just going to keep it for around 30 seconds. So within 30 seconds the jalebis will absorb the sugar syrup. So just within 30 seconds please take it out, otherwise it will become so soggy. Now the crispy jalebis are ready. If you could see, I will break it and show you. See how crispy it is, and you can see a hole inside the jalebis. Now this is the correct jalebi. A jalebi should have a hole inside it and it should absorb the sugar syrup. See, the sugar syrup is dripping now. It has absorbed very nicely. Now if you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and please click on the bell button for more updates. Thank you.